Hello everyone, let's make a glitter stapler together. The first thing we do is to take off the top. We're going to push down this and pull that, and then we're going to disassemble the top. I'm going to prime paint it because I'm going to use a color that is iridescent. I'm going to be using UV resin to apply my glitter, but you can do it with Mod Podge or Tack It or whatever other glue. The color I'm using Vibes is a iridescent purple color from Bling. I'm letting it dry, then I'm going to do my second coat of resin so that I can seal that glitter. Then I'm going to put it in the water so it doesn't turn out sticky because I'm using UV resin. You could do it with regular resin as well. You just have to make sure that you attach it somehow so that it will spin on the turner. Now I'm going to go ahead and sand it. Then I clean it with alcohol. I'm going to apply my decal. And after I apply my decal, I'm going to apply more resin to seal the decal. And depending how you feel it, if you feel it a little bit rough and you feel like it needs another coat, you apply another coat of resin or epoxy. And then you put it back together. And voila. That's it. Hopefully you will have some fun with this. If you have any questions, let me know. Remember, lovebling.com for your glitters and all your other needs for resin art. Have fun, y'all. Take care. Follow us on social media. lovebling.com.